Managing rental properties doesn't have to be chaos. Whether you're a DIY landlord or scaling up, the right platform saves you hours and headaches. Let's break down Enago, Belong Home, and Baselane to see which one fits your style. Well, Enago is a free, all-in-one property management platform aimed at independent landlords. Think leases, payments, applications, all streamlined. Baselane is more finance focused. It offers banking, rent collection, and analytics. Great for real estate investors watching every dollar. And Belong Home, meanwhile, is more hands-off. It acts more like a modern property manager, handling tenant placement, maintenance, and even rent guarantees. Now, Enago helps keep things simple. Clean dashboard, easy onboarding, and great for landlords managing only a few units. Baselane's interface is slick and banking integrated, so if you like dashboards and financial data, you'll feel right at home. And Belong Home is built more for owners who don't want to be involved day to day. The trade-off, less control, but way less stress. Let's mosey on to Enago. It gives you free tenant screening, lease management, rent reminders, and late fee automation. It's robust for a free tool. Baselane adds banking perks like high yield interest on deposits, automated rent splits, and smart analytics across properties. And Belong Home handles showings, tenant support, repairs, and even furnishes properties if needed. It's more like Airbnb meets property management. So let's go on to Enago. Totally free, monetized via optional services like insurance and tenant paid screening. Baselane is also for free, no monthly fees, but you might earn or pay based on banking choices. And Belong Home is just not free. They take a cut off your rent, but you're getting full service property and management in return. So if you want control with zero cost, go with Enago. Want smart money tools, try Baselane. And want it all done for you, you have Belong Home doing that. Each tool fits a different kind of landlord. Enago is for hands-on managers, Baselane is for finance-first investors, and Belong Home is for those who'd rather outsource all of it. Which one fits your rental strategy? Drop a comment, like if this helped, subscribe for more real estate tech breakdowns. Thank you so much for watching.